a few accelerations. I did remove the air filter to the engine, but everything else is perfectly stock, so the cover of the air filter is just tossed a little bit. Here how it sounds. This is non-turbo 2.4, and everything exhausts, absolutely everything is stock. You reach it when it's reaching 3005, it's switching to the CVT, you'll hear the noise. Sounds pretty neat. Let's go again. I know some people just put a cone filter, which actually basically removes the airbox. You hear it when it comes to 3500. That's the VVT or the Volvo VTEC kicking. It's nice sounding for a non-turbo petrol engine, gasoline engine. Obviously I'm not driving like this, I'm just having a little bit fun for a couple of minutes. It's not a mod by any means, but if you use a paper cone, then you may get almost the same sound, and that's a safe way to drive the car and keep the engine running.